Have you been to the Food Choices or Food Court here in Glorietta lately? Well, they have a lot of new restaurants now, and they also have a lot of restaurants that already closed. So let's just check it out. Yay! Okay, let's start here because this is the newest area that they've opened. This is actually where Automatic Center and Blims were before. So, in-open na nila to. This is a new area where they put more restaurants. So, and they have Sparrow, they have Pearl. So, marami ditong new restaurants. And I think they'll be opening more restaurants pa. So, let's just go around. Actually, this is not really new, but relatively new kasi ito yung latest or the last area that they've opened. And this area is connected to the food court, so connected na lahat ng restaurants in this area. They also have Farmery. You have to try it. They have really good food. They have steak, they have pasta, and a lot more. So, try nyo. There are more vacant spaces here, so for sure marami mag-open pa dito. As you can see, marami na rin taong kumakain. So, dami rin nag-eat out, which is a good sign. So, hopefully, tuloy-tuloy na para it can go back to normal na. Presidents and World of Chicken are still here. Also, Gongcha. So, yan yung mga matatagal na. Nandito pa rin sila, which is good. also sushi nori. Of course, there's Tokyo Milk Cheese Factory, everyone's favorite. Actually, this is already the outer part of Food Choices or Food Court. I'm just going to the other side kasi there are some more restaurants there, I think. And Potato Corner is still here. So, there. Let's just go to the other side. Marugami is also still here. And last but definitely not the least, our favorite, Maisen. Okay, I guess that's it. I'll see you again next time. Bye!